Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore how to make a video available offline in Google Drive. This feature is perfect for those times when you need to access your content without an internet connection. Let's dive into the steps. First, ensure you have the Google Drive app installed on your device. If you haven't done so yet, download it from your App Store. Once you have the app ready, open it up and sign in with your Google account. Now, let's find the video you want to make available offline. Navigate through your folders or use the search function at the top of the screen to locate the specific video file. Once you've found it, look for the 3 vertical dots located next to the video thumbnail. These dots represent a menu with additional options. Click on those 3 dots, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see several options related to that file. What you want to do now is select the option labeled Available Offline. This action tells Google Drive to download a copy of the video and store it on your device for offline viewing. After selecting Available Offline, you might notice a small icon indicating that the file is being downloaded. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this might take a moment. Once the download is complete, you'll see a green checkmark next to the video file, confirming that it's now available for offline access. And that's it. You can now watch your video anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection. Just remember that any changes made while offline will sync back to Google Drive once you're connected again. If you ever need to remove a file from offline access, simply repeat these steps and uncheck the Available Offline option. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively. Happy viewing!